2021, I am going to speak about Kodikattu Kumaran. Kodikattu Kumaran is a late freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He was born on 4th October 1904 at Chendimalai near Erode. His birth name was Kumaraswamy. His parent name was Sanathimutu and Kalpagi. He was followed Gandhi's principles. He participated on Indian freedom struggle against the British. He holded the national flag in his hand